Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a great night so far. Today there was a crazy runner, guys. TURB. This one just popped off, ripping face, almost 600. I think it's over 600%. It was just massive play. I said it was the top play today several times, and I posted the news as soon as it came out. This was like literally within 1 second. You could check the times, you could check when I posted it as well as the key levels. I also mentioned it. I saw several people, they said that they're banking today on TURB Turb. I'm really happy for you if you did good today. But don't worry if you missed that 600% ripper. Because I remember that stock OCTO, Octo, CWD, WLDS, QMMM, all these 5,000, 2,000, 3,000% rippers. Guys, more trades are coming. More trade ideas are coming. I'm always gonna post the news right on the live stream for the YouTube members, always very early. So if you're not part of the YouTube member, I highly recommend. It's only like $4 or something like a month, and that's like nothing, guys. The news scanners, if you could check yourself. Go to Benzinga. These people, these news sources charge like $2,000, $1,000. So for $4 or $5 is not, it's like nothing a month. So today I'm going to be going over real quick why these type of stocks end up ripping face at 8 o'clock, right? Let me just give an example. So you see the stock right here, JSPR. I traded this stock. You can see the time I bought it. It was right at 8 again. And this is the thing with pre-market, right? This has been going on even before I started trading. I've been trading many years, but when it comes to news in pre-market, every single morning, the guarantee there's going to be news. There's going to be a lot of news. I think there's like 1,000 news that comes out every morning. So how is it that every single morning I pick the top news, right? And it's like I said, that every strategy is not 100%, right? No, there's not going to be any single strategy that 100% of the time is going to go good, because there are times when my new strategy in the morning, it doesn't go out right. Sometimes I take losses, and I showed that in like 2 or 3 videos in the past, right? So no strategy is 100%. But why do I like the news in the morning? It's because that when a stock has breaking news, right, that causes a lot of volume. And when a stock has a lot of volume, with a reason to go up, there's going to be momentum traders, right, buying the breakout, or they're going to trade off of the levels. So it creates even more demand, and even higher. For example, it goes higher and higher, right? So that's one of the reasons why I really like the news. And the reason I pick a lot of times these good news is because I've been just doing this for such a long time that it's like second nature to me, right? I see news and then I just buy it. So hope everybody's doing great. I'm gonna be looking for more. So first stock for the video, guys, today. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna start the live stream same time as usual, but I'm going to be showing up a little later. I think around 8 a.m. starting tomorrow, not 7:30, because I find that 7 a.m. yes, there's a lot of moves and there's a lot of news, but me personally, I think that showing up a little later is better, because I had a lot of people say that they're either busy or it just in general, volume is always better the longer the morning. The later morning, right? For example, 9 a.m., 8 a.m. compared to 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. because that's when a lot of brokers, they don't even open for trading. I think Robinhood or some other platforms, they're not even open. So that could create problems, right? So first stock for the video you have to watch, guys, CHEK, check. This one actually had merger news not long ago. So this is focusing on autonomous workforce AI. So this is a really hot sector if you've been watching my videos. Remember I talked about BBA. I remember I talked about SOUN, SOUN. So check has been really holding up really nicely over those key levels. Go to the extended time frame. Go to the 1 hour chart. Go to the daily chart. It's looking really interesting. And on top of that, check actually has a cancer angle as well. So if you watch my videos, what's the big 5 when it comes to the small cap, right? It's bio, when it comes to bio stock, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer, Parkinson, obesity, asthma. These type of diseases is really bad, guys, and we need more help when it comes to this sector. So I really like these small caps that are trying to do good, right? So keep an eye on this stock. Next stock is QNRX. This one is an interesting stock because as you see right now, it started to have really nice volume in the after hours. And if you look at this stock, actually the rare pediatric skin disorder angle with no approved therapy. The reason that's important is because when it comes to small cap bios, when there's no approved therapies, that it creates an opportunity for bigger growth. And this stock actually reported positive 6-month data showing improved skin outcomes and no adverse effects. And on top of that, they received a rare pediatric disease designation from the FDA and orphan drug designation from the European Medicine Agency. So keep an eye on QRX. I'm going to be watching this stock tomorrow. And I'm going to see if it holds those key levels. Hopefully it doesn't round trip. Round trip means when a stock goes down all the way to the bottom, which is not good. So next stock, PBT, Purple Biotech. This one, keep an eye on, guys. This stock has specific antibody platform that shows sustained tumor regression in animal models. This stock also is in this. What do you notice what I said in the previous stock, right? Tumor. So PPBT, this is a former super runner. I'm going to be paying attention to this stock as well in terms of the pipeline and in terms of potential catalysts or just in general, right? So next stock is SPCB. You have to watch this stock, guys. Supercom. This is a GPS tracking, domestic violence monitoring technology service. I think this stock has the potential for increased global demand, right? And the management actually believes that the global electronic market as well could grow substantially to 2.3 billion. So SPCB, this one I believe is at micro float. It looks really interesting on the daily chart. Look at this chart setup. So keep an eye on SPCB, guys. Add this to your watch list right now. Next stock we gotta talk about, you already know, guys, Open Door Technologies. Open Door reported $1.6 billion in Q2 2025 revenue. New leadership as well. And there's actually catalysts coming up when it comes to the rate cut info. In my opinion, I think there's a possibility, right, for the stock to go higher if the news is good, right? So basically, if mortgage rates come down or house inventory pick up, Open Door could become more profitable. Their stock has a history of always soaking those dips and then reclaiming key levels. And I've been talking about the stock since like $1. I've started talking about this, it was like 90 cents or something like that. And look at this stock right now. It hit almost $11, guys. So open stock, you really want to see the price action on it this week. I mean, if you go to the 1 hour chart, it looks really nice on the 1 hour chart right now. It's holding over that key level. And I actually asked people on Stock Tweet, what's your price target and what's your plan for open? It seems like based on the general information, based on the observation, I think a lot of people are kind of diamond handing the stock, which means that they don't plan on selling it for a small gain, like a scalp. I think a lot of people, based on what I'm reading and based on what I'm feeling from Twitter and everybody, I think that they're holding more for like investment type of thing, you know what I'm saying? So this will be interesting how it plays out. I saw on Twitter actually there was a big short seller on this today. So let's see if the shorts get squeezed on this stock as well. That'll be pretty interesting, right? So next stock for the video, guys, is PRFX, Pain Reform. So this stock actually is developing. It's in that sector where non-opioid pain management. This is a big sector, actually, in my opinion. Big opportunity. Because PRFX is developing a wound installation drug aimed at delivering extended post-surgical pain relief locally without repeated dosing or heavy opioid use. So PRFX, this was a former runner. You really want to pay attention to the stock. And let's see if the stock ends up holding those key levels and making a move higher, even without catalyst. But with catalyst is better. But when it comes to bio stocks, this is a tip for you guys, is that you should always definitely check check their fundamental filing, check if they have active shelf, check if they have dilution, check the pipeline, check the cash, check the, there's a lot of stuff to check when you're swing trading, which is I think a lot of people don't do when it comes to swing trading, so they end up not doing the best, right? Swing trading is a very profitable strategy as well that I do a lot of, actually. Swing trading, day trading is all good in my opinion, so pick the one that you like. So next stock, last stock for the video, is SVRE. This one has been expanding internationally, including European market and North America. So again, this is a stock that has a really nice sector, pretty much preventing driver distraction and block dangerous usage while driving. So basically, this is the same situation in opioid. This is like a problem that's going on in the world, where a lot of people are getting into accidents. A lot of people are actually every single day ending up in very tragic circumstances when they're driving, right? So if you're watching this video, always be careful, guys, and always watch out for your safety and your health, because I think that's the most important thing, right? Market doesn't matter, money doesn't matter, nothing matters. Your health, safety. That's it, guys. Hope everybody has a great night. I'll see you in the morning, and have a good sleep. All right, good night.